Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am CHIKAN DUTTA and today I am super duper excited as I am going to do my hair smoothing at home like salon, and due to corona I will prefer to do everything at home like rather than to go to parlor. So if you guys are interested then stay tuned to my channel, and if you guys here for the first time then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram ID. I will provide the details of all my internet handles in my description box below. Please do check that out. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video. Today I'll be sharing with you how we can do your hair smoothing at home like salon, and it will be a long video, so keep patience and do watch my full video to know how you can do it at home. And it is budget friendly also, and you can save lots of money if you do it at home. If you do care your hair very well, then it will stay up to 7-8 months. This is my second time I am doing hair smoothing, and the first time I did it at VLCC and they charge 6,000 rupees for hair smoothing. Today she will do my hair smoothing and her sister will assist her to do it, and they charge only 3,000 rupees to do it. She is very much professional in this field, and here you can take help from others of your family. It is not possible for you to do it by your own. At first, I just washed my hair with Loreal Tenso Care shampoo as I did my hair smoothing before, and dry my hair with a blow dry, and here she is trying to detangle my hair with the comb. Now the procedure will begin, and it will take around 5 to 6 hours. So whenever you thought to do it, you just take a very good time in your hand to finish it. Here she is using L'Oreal Extenso Care Smoothing Cream, and it is easily available at any market. And if you want to buy this product online, then I will provide the details of this product in my description box below. You can see the current condition of my hair. It's been a year I did my hair smoothing. Here she is parting my hair in 3 parts, and parting and sectioning is very important for hair smoothing. The procedure is not so tough. Do follow my tutorial step by step and try to do it. I am sure that you can do it. She is just sectioning my hair in a very small amount, and do apply the smoothing cream, massaging it downwards and then comb it, and continuously doing the same process with all my hair. Try to do it section by section, then the smoothing cream will be all over your hair. Massaging it very quickly and blending it with a comb. Meanwhile, try not to move and sit steadily. Whoever doing this step, try to do it in a very quick way with a running hand. After applying this smoothing cream, you just wait for 30 minutes, not more than that. And in a meanwhile, if you see that one part is done for 30 minutes, then you just wash that part and waiting for another part to be done. You can't put hair smoothing cream more than 30 minutes, just keep it in mind. If you have a virgin hair, then wait for 30 minutes only to break the bond. And if you have a chemically treated hair like mine, then wait for 10 minutes extra to break the bond. So basically I am waiting for 40 minutes after applying this smoothing cream, as I did my hair smoothing 1 year before. I just wash my hair with a regular water after 40 minutes of applying this hair smoothing. Do not use cold water, try to use regular water or lukewarm water. Do not use any shampoo at this step to wash your hair and make sure that there is no hair smoothing cream at your hair or at your scalp. Again she blow my hair dry for the next step. Again she parting my hair in 3 steps and take very small amount. Do straightening my hair step by step. Try to use professional hair straightener to straighten at this step. Do not use any kind of straightener to straighten at this point. And this step is very vital. Take your time, whatever the time takes, but do it properly. This step is very vital. Meanwhile, try not to move and sit properly. Step 3, and here she is using Loreal extension neutralizing cream. Again parting and sectioning and doing the same process again and again. This is the last step for day 1 of this tutorial. Make sure that the neutralizing cream will be all over your hair and wait for 40 minutes after applying this neutralizing cream and then wash it with a regular water.
Break them one by one and face to face.
I just wash my hair with a regular water after 40 minutes of applying this neutralizing cream. Again she blow my hair dry and eventually you can see the final result. At this step, you can use hair serum to give extra shine to your hair. You cannot wash your hair in upcoming 2 days, so try not to sweat and try not to bend your hair. So coming 2 days will be very difficult. So here is the final result. I am so happy to see the final result. So happy. Finally it's done after 6 long hours. This is day 3 and I do not wash my hair in these 2 days. You can see my hair condition. Again she is parting my hair in 3 parts and applying some hair mask, and we'll wait for 30 minutes, and after that we'll wash my hair with plain regular water. Thirty minutes is over. Now I just wash my hair with a regular water, and again she blow my hair dry. This is the final step. Hope you do enjoy my tutorial and do comment me in my comment section below. I would love to reply each and every question of yours. I'll be waiting for your comment. Now that's all for today, and if you guys found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tata.